Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by launching the Bonelab Media Player and locating your media folder. Do that now. Once opened, make sure your file is supported. MP4 and MKV work cleanly, while OGG is good for audio. Next, import or drag files into /bonelab/media, or use the in-game import to index content. This first action ensures the player recognizes files, so you can avoid later load errors and start precise navigation immediately. Once your media is indexed, you control playback with precision. Use the joystick or mouse to scrub the timeline and hold Shift for fine, frame-accurate moves. This matters for queuing scenes. Make sure audio mode is set correctly, stereo or spatial, so positional sound behaves in VR. Adjust playback speed if you need slow motion, and enable hardware decoding to reduce stutter. These steps keep performance smooth and viewing accurate. To finish, you can export highlights or clips using the built-in recorder. Choose resolution and bitrate before saving. If you need subtitles, import an SRT file or nudge timing inside the player to match speech. Once done, verify exported files in the media folder. If something goes wrong, clear the player cache, check your GPU driver version, and relaunch. If crashes persist, reduce hardware decoding or lower output resolution to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.